it is possibly the most anticipated beauty box or, beauty product each year over the last 4 years now. It is the LookFantastic Beauty Advent Calendar that I am going to talk about today. I have full spoilers and cost and other details for you. Unfortunately, I don't have the actual calendar at hand yet because it hasn't launched yet, and B, I don't get any PR samples on this blog. Very few, very few, some pixie products, that's it really. So if you are looking for the Advent calendar, sorry, this blog is way too small. This channel is way too insignificant to get PR, so you might have to go elsewhere to see the actual products themselves. What I can do is show you photographs though. Firstly, this is 2017's Advent calendar, and it looks amazing. The theme was Beauty in Wonderland. Hang on, let me just get that open. Right, that's what it looks like inside. And the top of it opens like this. Oh dear. Right. So you get a nice vanity there. And I use it, as you can see, to store makeup brushes. Perfect for that. These are incredibly heavy pieces. This one was last year's. Again, quite heavy. Opened like this to reveal 25 drawers. Oops. Right, let's put this away before one of these calendars, or both, decide to annihilate me altogether. Whew, right, this is what this year's Advent calendar looks like. Navy blue with gold, gorgeous design there. Very similar to this year's Harrods color scheme though. Like last year's Beauty Advent calendar, this one is exactly £79. Like last year's Advent calendar, it ships worldwide. Like last year's Advent calendar, there are 25 products. However, last year's Advent calendar was worth only £300. This one is supposedly worth more than £420. Pre-order date, September 5th. Starts shipping October 1st. Beauty box subscribers will receive a code for £15 off. That should be there along with your October box. Or maybe September. I think it's the October box. Now, most importantly, what is inside this Advent calendar? Off we go. Morphe 9A palette, 9 pan, worth £12. Living Proof Perfect Hair Day PhD 5-in-1 styling treatment, 30ml, worth £5. Caudalie Vinopure Clear Skin Purifying Toner, 50ml, worth £4. Luxie 121 and 141, two brushes you get, worth £10 totally. Elemis Pro-Collagen Marine Cream 30ml, which we have seen before. It was there in 2017, although I didn't get it in mine. I got another hand cream instead. I got two of the same. You can see my unboxing in the description box below. So that is worth £50. Illamasqua Nude Collection Liner Raw, worth £16. Rituals, the Ritual of Ayurveda Dry Oil, 50ml, worth £11. Philip Kingsley Elasticizer, 40ml, worth £12. This is another product that we've seen before. Oskia Renaissance Cleansing Gel, 35ml, worth £23. First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads, 20 pads, worth £14. Avant Skincare Moisture Surge Overnight Treatment, full-sized, 50ml, worth £85. This is the product that I'm very excited about. However, I think it contains shea butter, which breaks me out, which is a bit of a dampener for me. Pry Throat and Décolletage Cream, 15ml, worth £9. We've seen this before in the beauty box. Lord and Berry Black Eyeliner, worth £10. Another product that I'm not very excited about. Mellow Cosmetics Liquid Lip Paint in the shade Tehran, worth £11. Another product that we've seen before. Rodeo Dragon's Blood Lip Mask. Again, we've seen this. One mask worth £6. Molten Brown Shower Gel, a product that's been there in 2015, 16, 17 and 18 Advent calendars. The flavor of the fragrance that you're getting is Fiery Pink. Bath and Shower Gel, 100ml, worth £10. This is something that I look forward to receiving each year. Emma Hardy Moisture Boost Vitamin C Cream, 20ml, worth £19.60. Neal's Yard Remedies Wild Rose Hand Cream, 50ml, worth £10. Bio-Effect EGF Serum 5 mils worth £42. Ico Lash Alert Mascara 4 mils worth £10. Hang on, I need to go blow my nose. Right, where was I? Yes, the Ico Mascara. Delilah Cosmetics Eyebrow Pencil worth £22. Bubble Tea Limited Edition Bath Bomb worth £5.99. Filorga Meso Mask 15 mils worth £12.60. Sleek Makeup Highlighting Palette in Solstice 9 grams worth £9.99. Omorovitsa Queen of Hungary Mist Limited Edition Packaging 30 mils worth £15. This is a product we've seen in practically every advent calendar and beauty box ever. So the total number of full-size products in here is either 11 or 12, depending on whether the Mellow Lip Paint is a mini or a full-sized, and whether, you know, the Lord and Berry Black Eyeliner is a mini or full-sized. I think they're both full-sized based on the price point. 2 palettes, Sleek and Morphe. How do I feel about this? They did send out a Sleek eyeshadow palette last year. Morphe is the other one this year. In previous years, we've received Illamasqua awards, Pixie blushes, HD brows, cheek, face, contour, highlight palettes. After Illamasqua, I'm very, very disappointed by the palette choices this year, Morphe and Sleek. You know, I feel that mid-range, mid-end advent calendars, you know, the ones that are priced between £60 and £80. The quality there, the products that they include are no longer high-end. They're no longer including a number of high-end brands. They're including lower-end brands in there, drugstore brands in there, which is fine, but then you shouldn't be charging so much for your advent calendar there, should you? So I'm not sure how I feel about this. I feel that last year's calendar and this year's have a lot in common in terms of the brands chosen and the kind of products chosen. On the other hand, they had mane and tail last year, and I wasn't happy about mane and tail. I'm very happy to see that there is no mane and tail this year. I am excited about the Avant Skincare Moisture Surge Overnight Treatment, 15 mils, a very, very generous full-size product to include £85, the retail price. The problem here is that for me, I can't be using it because it contains shea butter. It is probably a very good choice for somebody with dry skin, with non-acneic skin, who doesn't mind using shea butter, for whom shea butter works and doesn't break them out. For them, this is a very, very good advent calendar. Huge value in that. That one product alone, the Avant Skincare Overnight Treatment alone, exceeds the cost of the calendar. £85 retail, you pay only £79 for the calendar. And if you are a Beauty Box subscriber, you pay only £64 for the calendar, which is a very, very good deal. So in terms of that, yes, I agree. The retail value is definitely more, far more than what you pay for the calendar. That said, as I told you, I feel that the best advent calendar we've seen from LookFantastic was the 2017 one. That contained an amazing variety of products. The packaging I just showed you, brilliant. It was perfect in every way. This one I would rate alongside last year's. Where's Pixie? Where's Dr. Dennis Gross? Where's Aurelia Probiotics? Where's Foreo? These are all brands which LookFantastic consistently included over the years, and I'm sorry to see that, you know, those products are no longer there. Those brands are no longer there. I also find that it is quite easy to guess the contents of the LookFantastic advent calendars. You can definitely predict that there's going to be a Molten Brown Charger, something from Illamasqua and Ico, both of which are owned by the Hut Group, who own LookFantastic as well. I'm surprised by the exclusion of Grow Gorgeous, which is yet another brand owned by the Hut Group. You can also guess that there's going to be something from Ritual, something from Philip Kingsley, most probably the Elasticizer, and Bubble Tea. These are brands that we've seen in LookFantastic beauty boxes and advent calendars consistently, so it's quite easy to guess. So that's a full list of spoilers of the LookFantastic Beauty Advent Calendar for 2019. Will you be getting yours? Do tell me in the comments below. I would love to know. I'm on the fence about this one. I don't know, it depends on, you know, what luxury advent calendars I am able to get this year. Will I be getting this? I can't tell you yet. So those are my thoughts, and that's a full list of spoilers. Very shortly, I will have a full list of more than 40 different beauty advent calendars, including full spoilers, on video for you, so stay tuned for that. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell for all updates regarding advent calendars, and I'll speak to you soon.